Maybe if someone bought fuel pressure regulators on what they're rated to, not what fucking colour they are.
G'day guys, welcome back to Fish and Drifts. It's Dyno Day, we got Jolly, we got all three Fish and Drift cars.
Got my new bucket hat, feeling like an OG Sasquatch.
What are you talking about?
Let me trip a snipper and I'd be happy for you.
How good's the merch look, bros, eh? That's the game. We got all the Fish and Drift cars here except for Joel's. He's up in Mackay, so he gets Proximity Motorsports to touch that up for him here and there. Yep, so today we're here with Scotty from 11th Hour Tuning, and he's going to go over all three RBs that are in the team, get them all dialed in, and get them ready for the next drift days.
Huge sneaky upgrades on all three of them.
Yeah, it is, so it's going to be interesting.
Yeah.
Come on!
Just how you like it.
The tripper snipper. Yeah. So Jiggy's R31, he's done a high mount setup on the turbo now. He's running the same turbo from before. He's just done a high mount, new dump pipe. So he's just going to dial that in. Look at the new tyre rack there. Look at that, looking schmeck. We've got the S15 here. As you know, we've got cams in there now. So I want to change the wastegate spring, so we've got that there. I think it's only a 14 PSI spring. So there we have it. We've got a few more springs, so we got to get, I don't know, let's get them all in. Let's just jam them all in. It's just all the boost.
Just trying to fix your shit box as per usual on the dyno day.
Not even on the dyno yet.
No, I know. Typical.
Hey, Bobby. Going on, Bob?
Oh, I reckon.
About that?
That'd be £20 or something.
What are you, turbo smart now, are you?
Yeah. That's all I run. Actually, my Turbo Smart gate on the Barrett, I don't know where the spring come from. It's not Turbo Smart
Oh,
gate.
isn't it?
No, it's not Turbo Smart spring. It's just one up pound. Made £18 like.
Valve spring out of big diesel.
Yeah, it's something, I don't know. It's got no colour on it, no marking.
True.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Does the job though, bros.
Oh, yeah. Valve spring out of one of these flat motors. Oh, you've only got one spring in there.
Jeez. You wait now, boy.
Oh, I can't wait for your valve springs to float.
We've got some backups here.
Yeah. It's probably the same size as stock this in one properly, Sky Blue's 14, I reckon. 14? Yep. What's green? Green 7. 23. 23.
What's yellow?
Yellow's 5.
£19 makes it is.
19. How much was that?
About 200.
200. 200, you reckons?
220 next run.
220 next run. He's going up 20.
Oh, we're sorry.
He's throwing shade.
He hasn't even tightened the gate up. Fucking nuts about to fall off it.
We just done a whole episode on the gate.
Wow.
Oh, he's getting there.
To be honest, it shouldn't even be getting done today.
He's probably not used to working on fucking prestigious things like this.
Just needed a little bit more length.
Story of our lives. Ooh. How much?
Sounded pretty saucy.
Did I?
Yeah. 300.
300.
What's the go with that limiter? We changing that today?
Mate,
Sounds like a bloody BA Falcon.
you know.
Yeah, I do know.
Considering you had a Japanese BA.
Japanese BA. What, the surf?
Yeah, apparently.
Japanese
Just
BA.
as ugly as a fucking BA Falcon.
Oh.
He hates Seffies, this bloke, eh?
Yeah.
Worst shakiness than ever. And I own an R31. That's fucking saying something.
Lucky you got a tissue box for all your issues.
why you should stay in the box.
My ears are bleeding. Not bad. Not bad for a kebab shop on wheels, I tell you. $4.95. Car number 2 on the dyno. See if we can make more than a kebab 30. God damn. Take the kebab powermobile for a little street test, eh, Jig?
Kebab powermobile. Not a BL, can't be.
Man, it's fucking well be. See how this 20 box likes 500 horse.
Not bad, not bad.
What? What have you done? Is it dead? Is it dead?
No, we're good.
Almost lost me bucket hat. Oh, you had me going. I thought we killed the box already. Oh, shit. Oh yes, it's been a good day. Sounds good. And she's idling high.
Look at the clutch.
No clutch? Oh, that's what happens when you pump 500 horsepower through a 20 dead box. Oh my god, my phone's gone. Hey, we got no clutch. Oh well, that's the end of that. On to the next.
S15 is on, locked and loaded. So got the new cams now to tune in. I beat that little 490 there, mate.
Mine's still standard bottom end, like absolutely stock bottom end, so.
Nah, they're good numbers, bro. Good numbers. Let's just hope your gearbox and clutch holds up.
I've got money on what's going to go first, whether it's the turbo or the box.
Yeah.
Maybe if someone bought fuel pressure regulators on what they're rated to, not what fucking colour they are, we wouldn't have this issue. Just because it's purple doesn't mean it's good, Brad.
Okay, so there's a my bad moment going on. I went online, turbo smart, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm like, oh, that looks pretty in purple and might suit a couple other little purple things. And I didn't even look at what type it was or what flow rate or anything, eh? So at the moment, it looks like that's letting us down on the dyno. She's peaked out at about 430 horses and doesn't like life after that. So.
AFR's going well lean into, what's that, 14 to 1?
Yeah. So we're lucky enough there was one on the shelf just there.
Right next to us.
And,
1200.
Yeah, beauty.
Big boy.
We'll change her over now. And yeah, not all superheroes wear capes, eh?
He wears his jocks on the outside. Knight in China arm was just a retard in tinfoil.
S15 had a few dramas, like fuel issues, and we thought it was the regulator, so we changed that out because it was actually pretty small compared to what was in there before. Changed that out, same drama. Got the fuel filter out, and it was clogged. It was absolutely peppered with old rubber or something like that was going on. And straight up, it made 553 just from cleaning out the fuel filter. She's on the trailer, and we've had dramas all day. See my little connection here. It's melted down into the hat. I finna have a few dramas. Carl's car's on the dyno now. Let's go check it out. How much?
630.
630. Let's get rid of a bit of the lag that was in the last turbo. How you reckon today went, Scotty?
Not too bad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
2 out of 3?
2 out of 3 is pretty good odds, eh? 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Yeah, I reckon. Take that all day, mate.
Yep.
Big thanks to Scotty from 11th Hour Tuning. He's done a great job today. Hull's all good to go for the next drift day. Jiggy's all good to go. Me, not so much. We've got a few things to tickle up on, and yeah, it should be no dramas. There's just a few teething problems. It all comes with a new build, so Scotty will get on top of it, and yeah, we'll hope we get to that 600.
Yep, that's it.
That's the plan, eh?
The elusive 600.
Yep, gearbox bang time. Yep. Right, we'll leave the boys with that. They'll get that sorted, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.
600 horsepower! Ain't no barrel, boy.
That's how we get the horsepower in it.
Well, at least I'm awake for this video.
Yeah, mate. It's just true, eh? Could have survived the last one.
Catch day.
Didn't even make scrutineering or driver's briefing.
How do I always get stitched up with a shit hill? Make it better?
Because you run out of patience watching us do it.
Yeah.
That's what happens.
You pair of fucking Neanderthals trying to do anything.
How are my hands compared to yours?
Mate, we're just the Limmy brothers, bro.
That's
we're just
right.
skin on
We're
Limmy.
just here for the limit.
Oh, you're doing a good job, though.
Righto, Jiggy's just made 495. He's a bit scared for the old Rb30 bottom end now in the 20 box. Mint until it's not. Holy fucking look at the nerd in that! How is that making 500 horsepower? I have no idea. Fuck it off. Gotta go. Wow! Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. China! China's finest! What do you reckon it's time? It's time to page up the power! I don't think it's going to make any more than that.
Oh, it flowed in no time. I feel like the fucking submarine that went down.
It's going to be a race between that and the gearbox.
Nearly 30 pounds. 30 pounds?
Just ran away, went to Jesus Christ up here.
Holy! I can't believe that max speeding rods makes 30 pounds.
You reckon you barrowed power that or what?
I reckon his wastegate's bigger than my turbo.
Ain't your little dick, eh?
Oh man!
That's pretty insane, eh?
Turbonetics. Turbonetics for the win.
What's it got? An easy 2,000 horsepower?
Oh
or
my god. You'd want it. You'd need 2,000 horsepower to spin that fucking...
Welcome to your poon.
Yeah. It's full on, isn't it?
Crazy, bros.
It's got how many sets of injectors long?
Looks like it's got 16. At least.
Each side.
Yeah. Look what I found.
What'd you find?
Gem in the fucking...
Hey, gem in the rough again.
Yeah, mate.
The old gem in the rough.
Just keep delivering.
Look at that, mate.
2004, that was a good year. That was a good year.
Is that a BA?
Yeah. So, not very good. Rallying in the fucking 31. 104,000 on the clock. I can't hold this GoPro steady enough on the dirt. But you get the gist. What's going on here? 33.
We'll take 33.
True.
Yeah.
Seen better days, hasn't it? Shame. It's blowing dust at me. Blowing hot air and dust.
What are you talking about?